Dow component Boeing just reporting. Want to get straight over to Phil LeBeau. He's got the numbers and even the market reaction already. Phil.
Yeah, Andrew, this is a miss on the top and the bottom line. Take a look at shares of Boeing. The company reporting core operating or core EPS loss of $2.75. That is well worse than the street was expecting, a loss of 25 cents. Revenue coming in light of expectations at $13.99 billion. The street was expecting $16 billion. Some of that can be explained by charges that we're going to go over in just a little bit. Some numbers within the numbers: operating cash flow negative $3.2 billion. Free cash flow negative $3.6 billion, but the company does reiterate that it expects to be cash flow positive, free cash flow positive for 2022. In terms of those charges, I made a mention of them. $1.5 billion total in new charges for the first quarter, including $669 million for work on Air Force One. The T-7A trainer jet comes out to $367 million charge. And then you've got an impairment from Russia, Ukraine. That comes out to, that war and that conflict comes out to $212 million. In terms of the business, and so much is going to be focused on the commercial operations, some important notes from the company. First of all, the company plans to submit its 787 certification to its plan to the FAA. That's the reason we're at this plant down here in Charleston, where they're doing work on the 787 Dreamliner. That's an important distinction there. They are, however, when it comes to the 777, pausing passenger plane production for the 777 through 2023. They will continue building the 777 freighter, and then when it comes to the 777X, which is the next airplane, that was supposed to be deliveries starting in 2023. They are now pushing that out to 2025. Finally, the company says it is on track to build 31 737 MAXs per month in the second quarter, which was the company's guidance. Don't forget, we're going to be talking exclusively with Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun coming up on Squawk on the Street. You do not want to miss what he has to say, not only about the 787 Dreamliner and the news that they just made in terms of submitting a certification plan to the FAA, which in theory means we could see deliveries starting sometime maybe in the second half of this year, depending on how quickly it goes through that process with the FAA. But we're also going to be talking about inflation, the impact some of these that's caused on some of these charges, as well as the 777. So lots to discuss with Dave Calhoun coming up on Squawk on the Street. Guys, back to you.